Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. So now we're going to the power of 4. I'm just gonna... So, power of 4. Given an integer n, return true if it's a power of 4, otherwise return false. An integer n is a power of 4 if there exists an integer x such that n equals 4 to the power of x. So 16 is true, 5 is false, 1 is true. So what can we do? I think n equals 1 is the base case or edge case. And well, we can just simply divide by 4. This is like the dumb approach. Return if n equals 1, if the rest of the division of n by 4, if there's a rest, so if this is not 0, return false. So let's say if n in 1, no, let's keep this, let's be simple. And then we return self dot is power of 4 of n integer division by 4. Let's just submit. Maximum recursion depth is exceeding comparison. Let's not use recursion then. Well, what I actually want to do it with recursion, let me run locally. Maybe I just made a small mistake. Make directory 342 power of 4 code 341. Oh, wait, we made it. Remove directory 341. Code 342. That was the previous thing. Solution.py. So let's go print solution dot is power of 4 16. Run. True. Cool. And what about this one? It's false. So last executed input 0. Okay. Yeah, if 1 is that, if 0, I think 0 should be false. N equals 0, then return false. Okay, was accepted. Well, there's one way to do it. Another way to do it is check if we can, with bit shift operations. So what we can do is, I'm just going to run locally. 16. So we can do something like is power of 4 and bit equals n and 1. If bit return false. And then we can say n equals n, and then we bit shift 1, and then we do the same thing if bit bit equals this, and if it's bit return false, then we bit shift again. So for range in range of 2, for I, we don't even need to have like a iterator like value, so we just do this, and then we return no, now what we're saying is that if we can divide by 2, yeah, return false, return false. If n equals 1, return true. We also keep, yeah, I think this is it. And then return is power of 4. Or actually, let's do it differently. Let's return true in the end. So while n is different than 1, it's different than 1. Yeah. True. 16, 17, false. 4 is true, and 0. If n equals 0, return false. Let's submit this. It got accepted, but it did slower. But yeah, this is one way of doing things with bit shift operations. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.